This tutorial will cover the use of SMS campaigns. SMS campaigns are available to any client who has put down and verified their phone number. Simply head to the SMS campaign and click on Create SMS Campaign to start building. It can be a bit overwhelming, but there are several options with which you're provided to start building a campaign. There's the campaign name, notes that you might want to add, the type of SMS campaign you want to launch, contacts and however you want to add those contacts, when you want to launch the campaign, and then putting together the campaign itself. CCAI does offer a lot of control over who you send the campaign to. You can either add new contacts manually with the campaign, upload existing contacts that you've already saved, upload a new CSV to have a bunch of new contacts added in bulk, or select a list that you've already manually arranged. You can also control when the campaign is sent. You can either launch it right now or send later. If you click on later, you'll be given a calendar, a date, a clock, and a time zone to select from. After everything is arranged, you just need to fill out a message. Once everything is arranged, you can start writing the campaign. You will be limited to 650 characters, and campaigns will be segmented depending on the length. You can also select emojis and what sort of images you want to add to the campaign. Down below are fields that you can add to the campaign, which will automatically fill in to the message whatever sort of fields are related to the context that you send it with. To select which fields you want, click on the drop-down, select the field, and then click on Insert. Once everything is arranged, you simply need to click on Send to SMS Campaign, where you will be given a brief overview of all the details about your campaign. Alternatively, if you want to use a template, use the two drop-downs above the message board. These will give you a number of options involving the type of industry you want to select from and the type of message you want to choose from that industry. It will automatically fill the campaign message box with the message from those details. Once you've sent the campaign, it'll appear on the campaign dashboard where you can see the details of when it's been sent, if there was an error in the message, and how many of the messages actually reached their contacts. The other category on the SMS Campaign tab is templates. Templates offer pre-arranged messages that you can send out without having to worry about composing a new message. Anytime you sign up on CCAI, you are given a number of pre-made templates by default, but you can always make more on your own. Whenever you click on Build a New Template, you'll be given the name of the template you want to name it, the industry, the language, the message box, and any contact fields you want to insert. Simply build out the template like you would a normal SMS campaign and click on Create. From here, you can see your newly created campaign template at the top that you can now use in normal campaigns.